Not give me an opportunity if I don't put on a collar. As they have seen you, all of them, and on behalf of the media, my Lord Bishop, we are so many, and Madam Rizi has been paying our salaries in the media, especially in the Kikuyu community. The people from the media just to stand and wave like this. I know you are all here. Kameme FM, led by this guru, 24 years in the radio. Thank you so much. Inoro, Shoro FM, Kigosho, Moroto, Igajo, radio zote. We are actually live on several radios. I have just seen Kameme live, and I've also seen one of my colleagues and a great preacher who is doing so well nowadays. Rev Ben, Kiege, you are actually to mention them. Come stand next to me, because tunawataja tu. We only sing this, kuja Rev Ben. Ladies and gentlemen, the preachers who have come from far and wide, my Lord Bishops, and my leaders led by my governor. We have Bishop Godfrey Derito from Rogai. He's been in charge of Rogai NIPS campus, and with so many, we are so many because we are friends of Madam Rizi. My Lord Bishop, I just saw a photo NIPS ya Bagereria that we did ya national ya Kenya. Pastor Ben Dare Moshi Arehedeo Nigeda Vikahoidi, so that we can walk the journey. Family, tough times never last, but tough people do.
Bwana asifiwe. Inulie mkono. Praise God. Our spiritual fathers who are here, political wing, and everyone who has come to mourn a great woman who will be forgotten, Madam Liz Wanyoike. I know Jenga, you know the journey that we have walked together with Liz, a personal journey, and also in Kameme FM. And my only prayer is that Liz will rest in peace. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, bishops, pastors, apostles, asante sana. The clergy who are